Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. My short video tonight will be regarding my electric extension that I have in my hands. This is a 12 gauge um, all season outside electric extension. It's get a very nice light when I have the power into it, and this extension is linked to my snowblower. Remember, I have my snowblower in one place right now, and I'm keeping the substance on, and that electric extension is one of the clue about why it is why I have the electric extension. Now, a gentleman where this electric extension will be used told me to as for not getting stolen or not getting so much getting attention, since it's a yellow color. You know, I love yellow and black color. He told me then when you bought it, when it's all circle like that, I hope you're able to see that, take electrical black tape and do mark one side of the bundle, and it's heavy like I did like here. All right, so just do one side, and then on the opposite side take another color of electric. So I have green like you see, and do double your insulator, because that will be exposed to the elements for a very long period of the time, and that way you personalize your electrical extension, and it's gonna less create attention, or people wants to grab it and keep it. But this is like it's 100 feet long, 12 gauge electric extension, and this is my tip tonight. The good tip is what I'm thinking. Why I'm doing that? It's a gentleman who told me that it's statistically, when you do personalize your item, your like my tractor, you know, I have many items on my tractor. It's less attractive for bad people, bad folks. So as the electric extension. All right. So again, thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment, and like to say a special hello to a very nice looking lady, France. Good evening, France. I would like to also remember, folks, life is very good. Remember that, all right? Like, it's very good. Take care of yourself, and thank you very kindly. And see you on my next Sunday morning videos. All right? Cheers.